Shopping coaster.
Brainstorm for those who think they know and don't know they don't know. Brainstorm for those without knowing.
And the sign of your boy. Woman. I'm telling you.
Alright, boss, I'm ready to be ready now.
Yeah. Yo, one terrible way I tell you. You can bust your drink, you know?
I'm going to do it for you.
What did you mean?
Yeah, I got to one job, one can.
Yo, I tell you.
Yeah.
Time to drink that, you know. I gotta give you trouble, though.
Well, you know, I don't know, probably after that.
Pussy.
Oh, God. So why they make money alone ganja so? Yeah, no, I take a diet with it, no. Can't left it. Wow, this looks good, man. Nice water. Rip.
If you can't go there, you're not bad. Show me care go on it. see him? You see him? I try to learn. You try to learn.
Yeah, see. Everybody help Johnny! Help Johnny! He's not a woman! Please, everybody help Johnny! Help Johnny! Everybody help Johnny!
You know, bad man. Show people. What up you gonna make people in Swag and set speed? What up you gonna make people in Swag one? Cause they don't know. Hey, what are gonna name? What are gonna name?
Yeah, man, I can't what that, man.
Bumbleclad. Cannon what? Then. So show look us something about the gun now, man.
Yeah, man.
How is
So I
that?
press button, you see me?
You press button that up this up.
Yeah. And that's the way it turn on, decide to pump it anytime it hit us.
Yeah.
Wall and panic. You know, stop. Bus shot.
Boom.
How is that?
Oh, it's on. Bust.
Boom blast!
Bill for 4 years, got notice, 2 time and don't want to move. Condition apply. This is a paid announcement by the landlord of lot 127 Cedar Grove Crescent, Magill Palm. This tenant or rent for 24 months, whole water bill for 4 years, got notice, 2 time and don't want to move. Condition apply. This is a paid announcement by the landlord of lot 127 Cedar Grove Crescent, Magill Palm. This tenant or rent for 24 months, whole water bill for 4 years, got notice, 2 time and don't want to move. Condition apply.
Everybody help Johnny! Help Johnny! Pinheiro, are you that?
Yes, sir.
You see the fire burn, a word without word. Fire burn up the road, young man shot. Fire burn, you better learn.
Come to the party, some special things, yeah? Come to the party, some flower. Rice. Thin food and drink, that get too hard for me. Some food, you know. Because believe me, just get rough, you see me. She dog pants. Oh my God! Yo, why? Why? The dog favor Smeagol. Smeagol. Oh man! Quinger! Why? Why?
Front of the vehicle, yeah. She's a pro-tolerant. This is one for Mountain View right now. So yo, where are the in front of the man vehicle? It work, you know what I'm saying, yo? What kind of work? You can't go around up here, about to kill me. Murder! You have to pay the man enough. Pay the man. Murder! How are you doing, my youth?
The girl drive and lick my car down.
How she do that?
Like some food.
Stay for the car.
No, go away, brother.
Yeah!
You are going on the world, I know. You better you go your bed.
Me don't want to be it. Look here, what my people have to be it? People can be like every other day or every 2 days. Jesus Christ, babies are often not healthy.
Everybody is funny.
Holy Trinity made progress to the quarterfinal round as well after defeating Haile Selassie 4-2 on penalties. The teams are tied 2-2 on aggregate following Haile Selassie's 2-0 win in the first game, and Holy Trinity turning the tables this afternoon with a similar victory. Around as well after defeating
Say no more exit. I know macaroni. I know macaroni are driving. I know macaroni. It's not macaroni. Me have to call the boss right now. They're going to mash up in Costa.